All right, people, for those that don't know, in this very garage, I had a big fire last year, actually a year ago and 2 days ago.
Well, you can't open.
What a man, no?
It's crazy.
How are you?
Good, how are you? And the house burned down to the sticks. We had it fully rebuilt. It was like a $420,000 rebuild. And it wasn't because of an e-bike battery, but it was because of a battery charger. It was one of those little portable tree trimmers. It goes and it had a battery pack, and I used the wrong one. And it was putting too much voltage into it. And so it wound up putting too much volts into it. It sparked. The whole house went up. So the nice folks at Yolin, YolinTech.com, gave me this really cool, what is it called? The lithium ion battery charging cabinet. And this is the large workshop version. And this is $8.99, okay? This thing is basically an all-in-one battery charger for safety, okay? It's got all kinds of built-in stuff, and we're gonna talk about it. But it's for lithium-ion charging batteries. It can hold, this one can hold between 1 and 6 batteries, depending on the size. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. But you can just see it's got this metal construction. It's got a lock with a key, so kids can't get into it. It has its own circuit breaker that when it overheats, it automatically cuts out, right? Let's take a look inside. So it says it's best for garages, repairs, shops. So it has a built-in circuit breaker right here. You can literally, I'll show you. You can literally like flip it off and on. Okay, that way it's not using the house's circuit breaker. Okay. It'll automatically cut out if there's leakage, if there's voltage surges. Okay. It has thermal stability during continuous charging. It has smart thermal management, auto ventilation under load. It has, I'll show you in here. It has, right here you can see it, it's got a built-in smoke detector. It's got power strips with surge protection. It's got 2 of them, see, for 6 different slots. If you see back here, it's actually got those devices right there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are, what are those? Automatic suppression support, okay? It's a heat-triggered aerosol suppression unit. And during abnormal heat or flame conditions, it releases non-toxic agent designed to control the battery fire. So it basically has fire extinguisher, as a fire extinguisher built in, 4 of them. Isn't that crazy? Okay, and you can see here, I've already got, I've got a bike battery, another bike battery, another bike battery. I've got even a like a little trimming tool, like a Sawzall, that I've got a battery for that, and I can easily fit others. You know what I mean? There's a whole cabinet on the bottom I haven't even used. It's what you want for just sanity. You know what I mean? It's like, I mean, they didn't even know that I had a fire in my house, but for me, it's like such peace of mind. You know? So I've got, like, you can't even tell, but I've got 10 bikes in the garage right now, 10 e-bikes. And I've got 5 more coming. And I've got a scooter, I've got an electric skateboard, I've got a 1-wheel around here, over here, I've got a 1-wheel. So I've got all these different things that I have to charge. And, you know, my wife, God bless her, you know, still blames the batteries for the house fire, which is true. It wasn't, again, it wasn't a bike battery, but she still blames it. And, oh my God, I have a freaking bike coming. Look at this, people. I have another bike coming right now. There's a FedEx guy. And so she gets worried. And she's like, oh my God, make sure your batteries don't, you know, catch fire and all this. And so now I can put them in here and I never have to worry about it. How nice is that? It's peace of mind, people. So get yourself one of these things. I personally am so thankful to the Yolin people for giving me one. It's just so nice. So it also has this display unit here that has a bunch of stuff. Tells you the temperature, tells you the voltage, all that kind of stuff. You can set it and all this kind of stuff. So it's got that. It's also got this green button that tells you that it's on. And it's just crazy, people. It's got fans. It's got built-in fans on the side. I mean, it's literally everything you would want in a safety device. You know what I mean? for your batteries. So, I mean, we even have a portable vacuum over there that I could charge in here. You know what I mean? Anything that has a battery. And this can protect anything. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter if it's an e-bike battery, if it's a power drill, a vacuum, whatever the heck it is. You know what I mean? I don't care. It doesn't matter what it is. This thing can protect it. Okay? And it's just peace of mind. It's safety for your home. It's safety for your pocketbook, your wallet, right? And it's just an amazing device. I almost feel like if I didn't get one from these guys, I'd probably have to go buy one, something like it. I was already thinking about it in my head. The fire marshal that came here the night we had the fire, he said, you've got so many batteries over here that caught fire that what you should do, you should get one of those metal trash cans that they used to have back in the day, and cut holes in it, put a bike battery in it, put a power cord through it, and have it charge in the trash can. That way, if it ever caught fire, you'd be protected. This is that. This is 1,000 times better than that. This is the metal trash can. You know what I mean, people? So just amazing, and it was meant to be. You know what I mean? So go get yourself one. I think it's a good safety device to have. They have a smaller one that's not this big. They gave me the big one, thank you. But they have a smaller one that is the charging cabinet, and it's more compact. It's half the size, and that one is $5.99. Okay, and that one is for, like, let's say 1 to 3 batteries. Yeah, 1 to 3 battery packs. So maybe that's one you want. You put that on a shelf. I have a big one, and I'm just grateful. All right, people. One more thing I forgot to say. It comes with these wheels that you can put on the bottom if you want to roll it around. Okay. So anyway, check it out, and thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out.